Using the section tools. To the right of the document there are various icons which are mainly applied to sections. The first is the notes. Notes can be added and linked to sections. If the sections are moved, the notes are moved also. Click the Add Note link. Write a note and click Save. The note is now added, and a note icon will appear next to the heading name in the outline tree. The initials of the user who wrote the note will also show, with a date and timestamp. By default, all roles are able to view the note, but this can be changed. Click the permission icon, and set which roles are able to view the note. The note can also be archived or restored using the archive icon. If a note is edited, then a new icon will appear, showing details of all the historical changes to that note. When another user opens the document, they can immediately see which heading has the note, who created it, and when it was created. The next icon is the heading and section settings. The heading numbering needs to be turned on, for this icon to show. The heading properties lets the user override the default heading numbering, and can show just the heading name or just the number. If these options are changed, the settings will apply to all subheadings under the main heading. The section numbering settings will only show if section numbering is turned on. Choose to show or hide the section numbers, for just that section, or all sections under the heading. Next is the Variable Manager. If the document doesn't have any variables, then the Variable Manager will be empty. If the tender has been created from a template, they may have included variables. If not, create a variable, and the variable will be added to the Variable Manager. If the variable is deleted in the document, it will also be deleted from the Variable Manager. When the document has variables, the user can change the variable text, click the Replace button, and the system will update them in the document. Next is the section library. Any section from the library that is approved for use can be added to the document. Select the section group, and the section type, and all of the sections will be listed. Only approved sections can be added, any unapproved section will be highlighted red. Click the section name to show a preview window of the section contents. To add a section, drag it from the library and drop it onto the heading name, in either the outline tree or the document. If the headings have not been created, you can add single or multiple sections by selecting the sections, then clicking the Add as Subheadings button. The sections will be added as new headings, underneath the heading that is highlighted in the outline tree. To add them as main headings, make sure the document note is highlighted. Finally, freezing a section. If a user would like to reference a particular section of a document while scrolling through the rest, that section can be frozen. Select the section, and then check the freeze box. Now when scrolling through the document, the frozen section will always be visible. Uncheck the box to release the section. If multiple sections had been frozen, you can go forward and back through the previously frozen sections.